Like a platform is not built in overnight for go to straight to big. It also plan to step by step to go big. That's why I plan for 5 phase. It's now like a flat is phase one for like a platform. For phase one, we need to study. We need to make R&D. We need to plan. We need to make information about Bidara and aloe vera to learn, to study, plan how to do for phase one until we need to move for phase two. For phase one, we need to plan step by step until we understand when we need to go through for phase two.